Little reality check for you. We are inundated with information. And yet, what we need most as women over 40 who are looking to release weight and reclaim our energy so that we can shine our light in all seasons, especially during dark times, during times of trials and tribulations, is a soul meets science system that helps us to activate our inner coach because that's the true expert of who you are. I am so done with corporate greed and people pushing products that are one size fits all, looking for profit versus real solutions that help women to shine their light in the world. And so that's why I am here for you with your WellNest Weekly. This is a free resource for you to dip in each week and turn the pages of a magazine where you can look at a message from me, a nourishing recipe. You can look at some additional resources. Hyperlinks are sprinkled throughout. A little lesson learning how to activate your inner coach, as well as some invitations for next steps, and always the gratitude for you sharing this space and the beautiful work that I've created to help serve you. This will be delivered to you once a week. It is your invitation to anchor in so that you can truly design a personalized path on your journey of holistic weight loss and wellness. Enjoy.